So coding, you want to get into coding? I think you want to get into coding. This app is free and it lets you play around to learn how to code. And it's on iOS and Android. This app is Grasshopper. This isn't sponsored by anyone, and I'm going to mention it's not sponsored by anyone a lot in this video because it's not sponsored by anyone. Grasshopper is a great mobile app that will teach you how to code quickly and easily. So if you're a beginner, it will really help you understand a little bit about the basics of coding. But if you are a more advanced coder, or if you know a little bit about coding like me, it's really fun to just play around because it's a game type learning experience, and it's really beneficial if you do want to learn a little bit. It's fun to play and it's interactive, and you can control what you're doing, and there's even more things to do. So you can either unlock some animation 2 at the moment, but there's fundamentals and there's what is code, and there's a bunch of other things you can play around with. There's a code playground, so you could play around with and see how your knowledge is on code as you're learning the app. Now, this video is not sponsored by Grasshopper or by anyone related to the app. I just really want to tell you guys about this app, Grasshopper, because of how beneficial I think it is for a bunch of you people that want to learn how to code and don't know where to start. Grasshopper is a great place to start. I'm showing you guys over right now what it looks like. It's nice, fun, interactive, and there's quizzes along the way to test your understanding of coding. Now, you get trophies for completing tasks, and if you keep going through all the tasks, you receive trophies, and it's fun. I think it's a fun way to learn coding. It's a game mode kind of thing. You gotta play to learn. I kind of like that. So if you guys want to learn, Grasshopper is a great place to start because it's an iOS or Android device required video game thing to learn coding. So I think that will be pretty cool if you guys want to learn how to code. So I hope you guys could download this app. Not sponsored at all. Just want to make sure you guys understand that this is just an app that I really recommend you guys try if you do want to start coding, or if you want to have fun. If you already understand how to code, it will be pretty fun to play the game. At least from my experience, it's pretty fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in another video. Check out tomorrow's video if you want. So if you want to check out tomorrow's video, hit that subscribe button down below, that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see.